In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at first you need to open list of all apps and go to the settings. Here just open and select lock screen and security and go to credential storage. And at the bottom of this area list you will notice clear credentials, smoothly marked, and then confirm that you would like to remove all the contents, all certificates, by tapping on OK. Then enter the PIN that you have, if you have one obviously, and that's it. As you can see, credential storage is erased, so congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.